Welcome to TrackerPro, a local achievement system and stat tracking system for Unity. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the different features within the product and how to get it set up and get you creating your first new achievement and stat. So I'd like to give a shout out to Malbuzz Animations, as they very kindly allowed me to use their assets to create this demo video, and also to Pure Nature as well. But if you look through the TrackerPro folder structure, you'll see in there is a prefabs folder, and prefab folder is what contains all of the different prefabs that you're going to need to bring into the scene. So the main four we're looking for are the TrackerPro canvas, the achievement master, the stat master, and the achievement reward canvas. So all you'll need to do is just drag them from the folder and into your scene. On the TrackerPro canvas, you will be able to see a canvas scaler component. You want to make sure that the canvas scaler component is set to the resolution of your screen, because otherwise things may not appear correctly. You also want to make sure that there's an achievement UI and a stat UI component as well. So what I've done here is turned on the background panel inside of the TrackerPro canvas. And now I'm just going to go into the TrackerPro manager, which you can find in the Crucius Creations tools TrackerPro manager. We're now going to be creating a new achievement by pressing the plus achievement. Now, I've created one a little bit earlier, but you can just follow along. So I'm selecting an icon. The ID will already be set. You select a unique name for it, which you'll be referencing later. You'll need a description, the type of achievement. So we're just going to say numerical for now. Needed value, so we want 2. And it's obviously not completed, and it's not a secret achievement, which we'll discuss at a later time. So we're going to save the changes there, and then we're going to come out of that, and then we're going to look into the resources folder at the JSON folder, and in there you'll see that we've created an achievements.json file with all of the information that we've just created. So this is where all the information is saved. So our background panel is now active. So if we press play, then what you'll see is the achievement automatically comes in. And there we go. The achievement is now there and it's ready to be used. So we're just going to come out of play mode. Okay, so what I've done here is turn off the background panel just for now. So you just click on background panel and just switch it off for a second. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into one of the apples that we've got pre-set up. Now, if you don't have items like this set up, that's okay. But I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes. Now, we're using the Malbuzz system to pick up the apples. So we're just using an onPicked by, and we're dragging in the achievement master, add value to achievement, and then you'll need the name of the achievement that you're going to be adding value to. So, for instance, collect 2 apples. Now, if you don't have a way to pick up items yet, that's okay. There's plenty of tutorials out there on YouTube showing you how to do that. I'm not going to cover that here, but what we do have inside of the TrackerPro scripts and then the achievements folder is a demo test script, which you can attach to a game object, and it basically just takes some basic inputs like Q, P, S, and M, and you can mimic the functions that I'm showing you here. So now when we press play and we go into play mode, and we're going to go over to our apples, we're going to pick them up like this. And then we get our achievement because we've picked up 2 apples, which is what we needed to do. So let's talk about stat tracking. So on the Crucis Creations Gitbook website, if you go down on the left-hand side to the linking your achievement stats to your in-game functionality, I've actually got an example here of what you might want to do for stat tracking. So we're going to look at stat tracking when you fire a gun, so when you fire a bullet. Now, there's an example script, and there's also an example template there, which you can use for an achievement and also for a stat. So I've set them up in the screenshots there. And then when we want to add the functionality to increment them, then there's an example there as well of how you do that. So you just go into the code where you're firing your gun, and then you simply do add value to achievement and increment stat. And that's it. That's what you need to do. So all of the information that we've covered here today is also on the Gitbook website, including how to create a new achievement, as well as the different types of achievement that you can create, and also creating a new stat, and then going through and all the different stat types that you can create. And it also gives an example as well about how to create a percentage stat as well. So if you're looking for example, a hit accuracy of your gun shooting, then you can do that as well. So I hope you enjoy the product, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me on the email address, which is on your screen. Otherwise, thank you so much.